In my previous tutorial, you've just seen me create a title, and we've given this a style of format setting of heading 1, so we've given this a tag of h1. However, if we go back into my code, we've now defined this style, and you can see the font weight as normal. Remember, when I converted it to h1, it automatically converts your text into bold, and I've shown you a way to edit your style. However, the problem is that this is style 1, and this kind of refers to the whole of our document. We can go in and change that. We can't really change it through any of the parameters here or the properties panel, but what we can do is we're going to have to go back into our code view, and the best thing to do in this area is just to simply take your style 1 and rename that, and just type in h1 and refresh, and we can save our document. And if we go back to our design view, you can see that nothing's happened. That's because there's no visual change there. However, I'm going to show you a way to check out if it has actually worked. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to basically, you've got my second title here, and I'm going to basically change the background of this, and I'm going to convert this text to replicate the same style that I did in the title 1, just to show you that it has actually worked. So what I'm going to do is select here, and I'm just going to change the background to this blue, and I'm going to change this text to the same tag as in there, so we'll have the same appearance as London Eat Out. So what I'm going to do is go back to my code. I'm just going to highlight my text and jump back to code, and you can see that there. And what I'm going to simply do is just between the text, I'm just going to type in h1, and we need to close a tag, and I'm just going to /h1, and there we go, refresh. And if we go to design view, you'll see that now that text has the same appearance as the h1 tag in up here, London Eat Out. However, that's quite bad practice, because what we've actually done is we've got two titles and they're both using the h1 tag. What they should really be doing is that should really be h1 and that should really be h2. So this is what I'm going to show you in the next video on how to do that. And the best thing to do is, once you've generated all these styles, is actually to move them to an external style sheet and link it back to the various pages, which I've shown you in previous tutorials.